How to change your Bluesky handle. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your handle on Bluesky so you can personalize your profile the way you like. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, launch the Bluesky app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the three-line menu, also called the hamburger menu, in the top left corner of the screen. This will open a sidebar with different options. Scroll down and look for the Settings option. Tap on it to open the Settings menu. Inside the settings, locate and tap on Account. This section contains different options related to your profile and security settings. Now find and select Handle. This is where you can edit your current username and change it to something new. In the handle settings, you'll see your current handle displayed. Tap on the text field and type in the new handle you want to use. Make sure your new handle follows Bluesky's guidelines, is unique and not already taken. If your chosen handle is already taken, you'll need to try a different variation until you find one that's available. Tap on Save or Confirm to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully changed your handle on Bluesky. That's all for the video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.